by Minerva Garcia. Straight line and in. Jay Gars gets the lead. Gabo on the other end answers right back. We have a shootout by Sports Plus, official sportsbook of the MPBL. We are live at the Olivares College in Parañaque to give you our Saturday triple header of your Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League. Juanito Gregorio at your service alongside Coach Mike Perez.
Very, very good find para dito sa Pasig.
Let's see how he can contribute later on. Tamayo gets the first floater of the ball game. Si Warlo stops, pops, and drops for Warlo Bata. On one, Galicia versus Gonzalez. Likes the matchup. Feather, good.
Wow.
Too easy for Jacob Galicia.
Everything block, you get it to one of your best post players. Chance here, finally.
Right place. Gabo. Goes to Gonzalez. The dive by Eusebio is good.
Range, you're open, you definitely got to take it.
Estacio goes under to Jacob Galicia. That one though is too easy for Gonzalez. Off the swing. Drop pass to Minerva is good. The Flores drives. Sees Mike Lambino.
Handful, but how are you going to respond? Boy, the zone is really causing problems for Gensan, but finally I made 3.
Shot clock. 33 on the game clock. Cruz, one dribble in. Mark Cruz, just a talented scorer. Still live here at the Olivares College for your Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League on a Saturday afternoon.
Para pumunta sa kanila.
Swing pass, Acuna, corner. Finally, a make for Val Acuna. Third triple. Cruz on the 3. Can't get it. Punta sila sa corner. Acuna.
Yeah.
Kabila quarter. Want to change things here. Japs drives. Euro. Floater is good. Get natin dito kung magkakaroon din ng comeback. Etong Pasig. Sean Andrews on the drive. Sean just too quick for any defender.
He feels the backing of his coaches with that drive.
Batak answers with a triple on the other end.
Warlo.
Batak. Are we going to see a slam? No, but it's still going to be a 2 for Warlo.
And one thing that has changed really for Pasig in this game, in my opinion, has been fast breaks. They have been looking for transition very early in this game.
On the other side, find Boom 3 waterproof speaker, unstoppable sound, ultimate power. Jay Gars, straight line and in, off the wing.
Yung karamihan na nakukuha nilang paint touches is really out of the offensive rebounding. We have not seen a dribble drive, penetrate, get paint touches.
Low post.
Good
Cross
spray.
court. Cruz, another 3 is finally good. They like this, they go to Addy. Santos, the other Santos.
Nice
Drop pass to Addy. Santos connection works. Nelo Santos drives baseline. The beautiful Euro for Nelo Santos. Nelo wide open, in and out, but Minerva gets a second chance. Galicia looking for that fadeaway. Can't get it, but Malole stays active. Getting that offensive rebound against Mark Cruz. Looking for someone to show. Acuna. Not even a lot of space for Val Acuna. 7 out of 31 para din sa Gensan here in the ballgame. Bautista, little step side. Answers right back on the other end. The ball with the basketball. Corner. Acuna has made one. Back-to-back triples for Val Acuna on a...
Tsaka ano yan, nag-golf na ngayon.
Change career. Japs. Wow, up and under fake. Bacolod in their main game. Imos versus Manila. Pero ngayon. Thank you for that, Daphne. Gabo. It's been quiet. Kaya masaya na tayo dito.
Naman.
The sidelines. Ito naman talagang ating passion. Pero mapapatagal pa dahil itong ang pangito kay Val Acuna. Drive, float, still short sa pagkakataon. Finally a make. And Larry on the drop step, malakas. Battle for the loose ball. Warlock gets it, pushes it. John Gabriel all alone for the lay. This brand ng Pilipinas. Estacio challenged up by Minerva Garcia. Straight line and in. Jay Gars gets the lead. Gabo on the other end answers right back. We have a shootout. Remaining. Oh, ball is stopped from behind. Warlo Bata all alone. Warlo gets the 2. Clock. Gabo on Estacio. Estacio, Fader, trademark. Good for Aaron Estacio. We're only on our first game of 3, but we are already on a good one. Marwin Junicio answers right back on the other end. Junicio, punta kay Gabo. Defended, but the guts of the veteran Hesed Gabo. For a friend,
Nice
swing pass. Fontanilla dribbles in, floats, good for Josh Fontanilla. Warlo blitzed by Flores. There is a push, but there is no whistle. Jay Gars all alone for the lay. Cuts this lead down to 3. Last 2 minutes. That blitz. Hesed Gabo goes out to Fontanilla. Drives once again. The left hand is good. Looks for a friend. Nothing there. 10 seconds remaining. Goes to Pido. He drives. Goes inside.
Nice
Extra pass inside. Jacob Galicia. Ever this is a miss.
Can't foul if you're Jensen if you don't get the rebound.
Larry Rodriguez misses it. Galicia gets the ball. They throw it. Lambino. Jay Gars. Oh, cannot get the attempt, and that will end the ball game.